Good morning, Brittany. I will try to answer your questions through this video, but one thing I'm going to say, I don't get to see all the function graphs, so I can't answer all of them. I don't know where your mistakes are coming from. First of all, thank you so much bringing up those questions. They're all very valuable and good questions, and you're on the right track as you're getting prepared for test 1. So for this question, some of them I can answer because I can see your response and the correct response. I can see where you're making the mistake. But again, that will be really good to know. I can see that they're all coming quiz 1, but what questions they are, they will be more helpful for you. So starting from this one, let's get purple color. All right, so your response is with bracket here. However, the correct answer with parentheses. So that's a major mistake. The reason is for negative infinity to positive infinity, we always use parentheses because parentheses means that not included. So we can't include the infinity. We don't know what the infinity is. It's just a imaginary number. Your infinity could be 1 trillion, mine could be 1 billion. So you're doing your initial points, starting points in the interval form correct. However, look at the answer. Answers are in bracket, but whereas parentheses, I'm sorry. So answers are in bracket. Answers are in parentheses, but your answers are in bracket. It should not be in bracket, right? Also, bracket means that whole, right? There's a whole, then you need to use a bracket. All right, so for this one, similar error again. Your starting point, is correct. You're using the infinity with parentheses, good job, but your starting point should be bracket. So look, it's included, right? However, here you're giving a parentheses. That's why it's not correct. So from there on, I can't answer those questions because I don't see the graphs. I don't know what the vertical asymptote or what the horizontal asymptote is. Here, again, I need to see the graph. Maybe you've done this part correct, but vertical asymptote, the question might be asking x equals -3, x equals 4. Again, if you tell me what the question number, that might be really helpful. For this one, also the last one, that's the same thing I want to say. All right, so this is a short one. I'm sorry that I couldn't answer all of them. Send me the question numbers. I know that all of them are coming from quiz 1. All right, see you.